Hi, my name is Madilyn.
And more art today, WINTON School. I'm Luke. Welcome to N.E.W.S News for Ra'apa, the 3rd of December.
Hi, VIZ VESTS. Kia ora to students wearing them to and from school. We need everyone wearing them.
And a reminder this term, you must wear your sunhats at playtimes and lunchtimes. Thank you.
And a quick note about returning sports gear to the trolleys at the end of lunchtime and playtime. Thanks.
Senior Kapa Haka students, you have no lunchtime get together today. Kia ora.
Health and safety news. We still need ice packs returned to the office. Thank you.
And we have a complaint about someone riding their scooter through school, and walk your bike and scooter through school. Thank you.
Library news. This is the last week for borrowing books from the library. Please have all your books returned by Friday.
Only 3 more days of library Christmas quiz. All of the answers can be found in the books on the table, on the display table.
Please make sure you return the books to the table when you have finished using them so other people can use them too.
Name your answer sheet and put it in the box under the display. Senior students may like to help junior students fill in the answers.
The quiz will be marked on Friday and all of the correct sheets will go into the drawer for some cool prizes. The winners will be announced next Monday.
Te kupu o te wiki. This week's word is rāwhānau, which is te rio for birthday.
Speaking of, there's no birthdays at WINTON School today.
But Ozzy Osbourne is 65. Rāwhānau, Ozzy, rock on.
Okay, thanks for tuning in. From everyone here at the N.E.W.S team, ka kitea popo.
Haere rā, WINTON School.